In this tutorial, I will teach you how to do a knotted waterfall braid. Because I tend to have a lot of flyaways, I'll first wet down my hair with some water. Make sure all of the hair is nice and smooth. Now grab a small section of hair and divide this into 2 strands. Now tie a knot. Place a top strand on top of the bottom strand. Then bring your thumb and index finger through the loop and pull the bottom strand through, like you're tying your shoelaces. Carefully tighten the knots. Then take a small strand of hair. Cross this under the top strand and over the bottom one. Then drop the strand. Now add some hair to the bottom strand. Then create your second knot the same way you did the first. Then cross another small strand of hair under the top strand and over the bottom strand before dropping it. Then add some hair to the bottom strand again. Keep repeating this for as long as you like. Try to make sure you tie the knots the same way every time. Creating the knots can damage your hair. Finish off the braid with the knots. Then tie it off with a small elastic. Make sure there's no loose hair in between. If you like, you can hide the end of the braid under a section of hair. Secure the braid with 2 crossed bobby pins. Like that, they'll stay in place a little better. This is the finished look. Please share your pictures on Instagram with the hashtag MVLhair and follow my account